Anastasia. Nana bought you a present. She found your one hump camel.
Oh my god! What?
Take it out the bag and let us see. Yeah. She found it.
Oh my god.
And she put Dorothy's name on the leg. It's Dorothy Day.
You got your camel back.
Now you don't have to miss your camel anymore.
You guys are like...
Is she really recording this? Like,
Yes, because I'm adding it. And come to find out there's a such thing as one-hump camels. They're called dromedaries or something like that. And they're from the Middle East and Southern or something Africa. And now they're being found in Australia. So yay! You found Dorothy! Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
You don't have to be sad no more, right?
Yeah.
All right, now you're beat for Michael Jackson, but you got your camel.